Okay, there are two ways to log into the computer if it's been shut down and you're looking to check something out in this guided reading leveled book room. So if it's not up on the screen, the easy way is to use the library search that's already Wilburn's home site. If you're on the computer and you had to log in and you don't have the library search on your home screen, go ahead and click Google Chrome. There is a bookmark that says Welcome to Wake County Public School System. This is our Destiny system. And that's what you need is the Destiny website, Wake County Destiny. You'll scroll down and find Wilburn and then select Login, where you will do 616 circ desk, like circulation, for the username, and 616 circ desk also for the login. Once you're logged in, you hit circulation and checkout. You search for your name, select it, and then you can go ahead and scan. All of the posters will have a barcode, and the sets of books also have a barcode. If you're checking materials in, which is really important when you're putting materials back, you hit check-in, and then you use the scanner and scan it in, and your item will be checked back in with a nice ding. All right, thank you.